Hey guys, today is for our bitter leaf soup, our Onugbu. Our cocoyam is nicely washed and cooked. We'll be using our Mr. Steel food processor for the pounding. It was nicely pounded. Inside the pot, we'll have our chewing obstacles, the meat, the stockfish. I'll be spicing it up with my fresh pounded pepper. Yes, and adding some Maggi cubes. Yes, and then some salt to taste. Be mindful not to oversalt your meat, and I'll be giving it a quick stir for it to cook in its own juice on a medium heat. Right now, I'll be adding water, the quantity of water I needed to make the soup. Yes, and I'm still going to cook this meat till it's nicely cooked. That's soft. So at this point, our meat has been cooking for quite some time. I'm going in right now with our palm oil, the pounded cocoyam, which will serve as a thickener, and the ogiri, that is fermented locust beans. Yes, fermented locust beans, and the quantity I needed. Feel free to add any quantity you deem fit or you think will be enough for the quantity of food you're making. Yes, and I'll be covering the pot for everything to cook. At this point, our cocoyam is well dissolved. You can see I don't have any lump whatsoever in the pot or in the soup. And I'm going to give it a quick stir for everything to combine properly. I'm still going to be adding a little quantity of Maggi cubes. Remember, I added some while I was cooking the meat. And then some crayfish, yes, pounded, grinded crayfish rather. And this is the face of the soup, and some salt again to taste. Yes, feel free to check if you are going to add some salt or not, depending on the quantity of meat you have. I'm going to give it a quick stir, stir, and then at this point, I'm going to be adding the master of the ceremony, that is the bitter leaf itself, which was nicely washed to remove all the bitterness away from it. Yes, so I'm going to be stirring, guys. Please, if today is the first time you're coming across my page, please kindly follow. For all my returning viewers, I say thank you so much. Thank you immensely. I love you all, guys. So I'm still going to be adding. Yes, I'm still going to also be stirring. Yes, if this soup cools down, it's still hot, it will still thicken. Yes, feel free to use any thickener you think, maybe the powdered cocoyam, anything at all you think it's okay for you. But I still believe that the cocoyam does a better job. Yes, the fresh cocoa yam, it does a better job. Yes, that is for me, though I don't know about you. So I'll cover the pot for the vegetable and every other thing in the pot to cook properly. So at this point, guys, our soup smells so well. You can see. Feel free to eat this soup with your fufu, your gari, your plantain flour, your wheat, your semo, anything at all that goes well for you. Yes, guys, I'm still gonna be stirring. This soup looks so delicious. Yes. Thanks, guys. See you again some other time. Bye.